How to use Snapchat Plus subscription features. To use the Snapchat Plus subscription features, first of all, you must subscribe to the premium tier via your profile dashboard. So go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on your device, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. You should be able to find the Snapchat Plus card over here, right below your username or profile bio. Once you tap on this, you should be able to now subscribe to the Snapchat Plus membership by simply tapping on the subscribe button. It should be available at the bottom. However, this feature is not yet available within my region, so I cannot show you. But once you tap on this, you should be able to select your plans from there, select annual or monthly plan, and then add in your payment details and proceed to subscribe to it. Once you subscribe to it, you can use the Friend Solar system and pin your number one best friend as a super BFF. And you can also boost your stories. You can have custom application icons and interface themes. You can also post view emojis. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.